Hi everyone. Yesterday we had a short discussion about maths and I gave you a definition for mathematics. And I told you that today I will discuss about the basic operations mathematics. So, if I ask you how many operations are there in mathematics, some students will say 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't know. But we must be sure that how many basic operations are there in mathematics. When you are starting your preschool, LKG, UKG, grade 1, grade 2, up to grade 10, there are only 4 basic operations are there in mathematics, not more than that. What are those main basic 4 operations in mathematics? Look into the board. The first one you are studying as addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication. And fourth one, division. Any sums you are getting in the classes, either it should be for addition or it should be for multiplication or subtraction or division, any of these 4 operations. So, now come to the first point. For example, maybe the students are sitting in a general class, maybe class 6, class 7, class 8, 9, maybe up to 10. If I ask you a question, do you know addition? Some people will laugh. Somewhere, what question the sir is asking? We don't know addition? See, my question, when I ask a question, do you know addition? If your answer is yes, you should know addition in all respects. So, when I ask you if you know addition, if your answer is yes, my next question to you is, how will you add fractions? How will you add fractions? So, somebody will ask, some students, few students may not be knowing what is a fraction, or they know fraction, but they don't know how to define a fraction. Okay, what is a fraction? It is very simple. Fraction means a portion of something, a part of something, not the full or not the whole part. For example, if I cut an apple into 4 equal parts, I am giving one piece to you. Did you get the whole portion of the apple, the full apple? No. You got one piece out of 4 pieces. That means the whole subject, whole object or the full apple is divided or cut into 4 equal parts. You got only one piece. So, it is denoted as 1 by 4. I will write and show you 1 by 4. If you are getting one piece out of 4, this is 1 by 4. If you are getting 3 out of 4, it is writing 3 out of 4. Means out of the 4 equal parts of the apple cut into 4 pieces, you got 3 pieces. Some people write like this, and we can write like this also, 3 by 4, a slash. So, from this example, 3 by 4 or 1 by 4 or 1 by 2, what we can notice? We can notice there are 2 numbers involved in a fraction. 2 numbers. Is it both the numbers written together? No. These 2 numbers are separated by a slash or a small line like this, horizontal line or a slash. So, out of these 2 numbers, one number is above the line, one number is below the line. So, we can give names for these numbers. The number above the line is known as numerator of the fraction, and the number below the line is known as the denominator of the fraction. So, a fraction has a numerator and a denominator. So, this numerator and the denominator is separated by a line, a horizontal, small horizontal line or a slash. Now comes, it means that now based on the numerator and the denominator, fractions are classified into 3. Fractions are classified to how much? 3. We will go through which are those 3 kinds of fractions one by one. Based on the numerator and denominator of a fraction, we can classify the fractions into 3. What are they? Number 1. Number 1 is proper fraction. Proper. Anybody can understand. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay, now the second one is, if first one is proper, what can be the next one? Improper fraction. Improper, not proper. That is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Then what about the third one? Third one is known as mixed fraction or mixed number. We can call it as a mixed fraction, or we can call it as a mixed number also. Mixed number. Now, what is a proper fraction? What do you understand by proper fraction? How can we identify whether the given fraction is a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed fraction? Okay, all these 3 kinds of fractions, 3 different types of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction or mixed number, I will explain you in detail in my next video. Thank you.